Welcome to our review of the highly anticipated iPhone 17 Pro Max, the newest flagship device from Apple. This cutting-edge smartphone takes innovation to the next level, boasting an advanced camera system, a powerful A17 Bionic chip, and an elegant Super Retina XDR display with promotion technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is designed to deliver an unparalleled user experience. What makes this phone stand out is its premium build quality, enhanced battery life, and remarkable camera capabilities. The rear triple camera system includes a 48MP wide lens, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, making it a top choice for photography lovers. Combined with features like night mode and smart HDR, every shot looks professional. The front 12MP camera with 4K video recording ensures your selfies and video calls are nothing short of stunning. Under the hood, the A17 Bionic chip powers seamless multitasking and gaming with buttery-smooth graphics, thanks to its state-of-the-art GPU and up to 1 TB of storage. The device's robust 4,500 mAh battery ensures all-day performance, while fast charging, 27W wired and 15W MagSafe wireless, means you'll never be tethered to an outlet for long. Running on iOS 18, this phone also offers enhanced privacy, widgets, and shortcuts for ultimate convenience. Ready to experience the future of smartphones? Hit the link in the description below to learn more about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more in-depth reviews. And let us know in the comments your thoughts about this game-changing device. Stay tuned for more quality insights into the latest gadgets.